Here at Aircon 24/7, we know that the smooth running of your business is paramount to success. Every single aspect of your office needs to run efficiently to maximize productivity. That's why we have the largest and most diverse range of commercial air conditioning products for sale in the UK. Our range includes wall-mounted split air conditioners, which are specifically designed to cope with high demand, as well as providing cost-effectiveness through efficient technology and design. The wall-mounted split air conditioner can both cool as well as heat by drawing energy from an external environment. Our ceiling cassette units are the most popular when it comes to commercial and retail units. Their practical design makes them perfect for creating the optimal air-conditioned environment in any commercial space. Multi-split air conditioners are the best choice if you require air conditioning in multiple rooms. The multi-split units can connect up to 9 indoor units to a single outdoor unit. Best of all, these units can actually reduce energy consumption costs by a whopping 35% when compared to single air conditioning units. We also have a range of floor-mounted air conditioners which are ideal for small offices, classrooms or hotel rooms. If you would like any further information on our incredible range of commercial air conditioners, please contact a member of our team today.